Velvet Ensemble Theatre Company, we are only 2 years old. We were founded in 2008 by myself and Charlotte Gray. We were both working as actresses up at Clwyd Theatre Cymru. And it started very much with a conversation of two actresses in a dressing room saying, we should do a play. Which is a very standard thing that I think a lot of actors say to each other, only the majority of people don't actually end up doing it. What attracted Bethan Marlowe and myself to the Incubator project was that the Wales Millennium Centre are giving new and emerging artists and companies the opportunity to come into a safe environment, into a rehearsal space, and to explore and to play and discover more about themselves and the work that they're trying to put together. So that's what really excited us and drew us to the Incubator, that it was an opportunity for us to take an idea that we had and actually have a space and support in which to sort of develop it, but not having the pressure of feeling this has to be perfect, but purely just being allowed to explore and see if it worked. The Incubator project was, in 2009, was phenomenal for us. It really put Velvet Ensemble certainly on the map as far as Cardiff and theatre were concerned. So it was really, really great for people to come and see us and say, these are quite an exciting new company. It also drew a lot of collaborators to us, people that who work within theatre coming and seeing our work and actually then connecting with us and saying, we'd really like to come and work with you. And of course, having a well-established arts organisation like Wales Millennium Centre, who have obviously chosen to believe in us and nurture us, has been incredibly positive for us as a new company moving forward. What's next for Velvet Ensemble? There are a huge amount of things that are in the pipeline for us. In actually coming to this project, we started a really exciting project called Classical Women Reworked, where we asked 5 brilliant writers, Bethan Marlowe, Stella Duffy, Shelley Silas, Matthew Bulgo and Poppy Corbett, to take a classical speech and to rework a brand new monologue for a woman. And we did that in both London with one cast of actresses and directors, and then in Cardiff. What I'd really like to get across about our company, about Velvet Ensemble, is that we don't have an artistic director. We have a very clear mission, which is to put the female voice, if you like, centre stage. But we're not confined by a style or by a type of theatre. So I'm really excited for us because we have the opportunity and the potential to work with a vast range of theatrical practitioners.